Hi friends, welcome to codewithsugi YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss about data types. Okay. So previously we have discussed about class and what is meant by object and what is meant by access modifiers. Okay. So I think this is the right time to discuss about data types. Okay. If you are new to our channel and if you are not aware of what we have discussed in the previous videos, you don't need to worry. We always used to add all the links in the description so that you can go ahead and have a look at the previous videos. So what is meant by data type? Okay. So each and every programming language will have their own technique to handle the data. Okay. So data in the sense we can say like values. Okay. Fine. So values means normally if you take in the real world, okay, we used to have different type of values. Okay, the first one we can say whole numbers, right? The next one we can say fractional numbers. Okay, the next one we can say characters. The last one is true or false condition. Okay, so if you consider a variable, so the variable can hold all these things, right? Say for example, these are all the possible values to hold in a variable. Okay, so in Java we need to specify what type of data it is. Okay, so for that reason only we are having data types in Java. We have two different types of data types in Java. Okay, what is that? We will see first. One is primitive data types and another one is non-primitive data types. Okay, so before we see about this primitive and non-primitive, first we will see what are all the data types we have for whole numbers, what are all the data types we have for fractional numbers, and what are all the data types we have for character, what are all the data types we have for true or false condition. So first we will see about whole numbers. So the whole number will be like 10, then 25 or 1000 or 7000, something like this. Say for example, we cannot say like all the numbers will be under 3 digits or all the numbers, whatever the numbers which we required will not come under any defined value. Okay, each and every program may require different type of numbers, right? So that's the reason in Java we have 4 different type of data types to handle whole numbers. Okay, so the first one will be byte, the second one will be short, the third one will be integer, the fourth one will be long. Okay, so all these 4 data types will vary based on its memory. Okay, so for example, if it is a byte, then it will take 1 byte memory, that is equivalent to 8 bits. Okay, so for example, if it is a short, then it will take 2 byte. So 2 byte in the sense we need to multiply 8 bits into 2, so it will take 16 bits. So the integer will take 4 byte memory, so this one will be 32 bits, right? So the long will be 8 byte, so it will take 64 bits. First we will see how we need to choose the data type. We all know we have 4 data types for whole numbers. Okay, in the same way, if we take fractional numbers, we are having 2 different data types to handle fractional numbers. The one is float, the another one is double. Okay, so the float will take 4 byte. 4 byte means it's a 32 bit, right? So the table will take 8 byte. So it is 64 bits. So to handle character, we have only one data type, that is called char. Okay, fine. To handle the true or false condition, okay, we are having a data type called boolean. Okay, so here we have 4 data types. Here we have 2, here we have 1, so here we have 1. So total we have 8 data types in Java. Okay, now we have discussed about 8 different data types which is available in Java. Say for example, if I want to specify name, or say for example, let's consider this whole number as a text, right? So how we will specify this kind of variables in Java? So to specify the set of characters, we have a non-primitive data type which is called as string. Technically speaking, so to handle the set of characters, we have a non-primitive data type that is called as string. Okay, it will allow you to declare the set of characters. Okay, so for example, if you want to specify hello world, then you have to put like this, and you have to specify it in a double quotes. Okay, if we consider this also a data type, okay, then we are having around 9 data types. Okay, now I will explain you about data types one more time. So the data type is classified into 2 parts. Okay, the one is primitive data type and another one is non-primitive data type. Okay, the primitive data types will have 8 data types. Okay, the non-primitive is 1. Okay, so the non-primitive we can say string, right? So for whole numbers, okay, we have 4 different data types, right? Byte, short, integer, and then long. Okay, fine. So for float or a fractional numbers, we have 2 types. One is float, another one is double. Okay, for character, we have only one data type, is called char. Okay, to handle true or false, we have one data type called boolean. So this is about data types in Java. Okay, fine. How to declare these data types in Java? Okay, that we will see. To declare any of the data type, first we need to specify the access modifier. Then we have to specify what type of data it is. Okay, that means what is the data type of that variable. What is the data type of the variable? Then the last one, variable name. Okay, so this how we need to specify the, or we need to declare a data type in Java. Say for example, access modifier. We have discussed clearly about the access modifiers in the access modifier section, but I will say like we have 4 different modifiers in Java, right? So for example, now I am considering private, because now I am considering like I am going to use this data type in this class alone, so that's the reason I am going for private. Then data type. Okay, so say for example, now I am taking int as data type. Okay, then variable name, this is user defined, whatever name you want you can give. Say for example, now I am saying number. Okay, fine. So this is how we need to declare a variable in Java. Okay, how to assign value to this variable? To assign a value to this variable, we have to say private integer number equal to, what is the value which you going to put it for this number, you have to specify it here. Say for example 10. Okay, so in this statement you are assigning this 10 to this variable number. Okay, so in the latter point, if you access number anywhere in your program, okay, you will get 10. Okay, so very well, you can reassign the value to this number also. Okay, fine. So we will see all those things going forward. So here we are using integer. Okay, but we saw there are 4 different data types available for whole number itself, right? So the 10 is a whole number, but we are using directly integer. But we have discussed like we have 4 different data type for whole numbers. Okay, so how to choose the data type for the values? Okay, say for example, if you are assigning a value to a variable, then how we need to choose this data type? Okay, because this integer is 32-bit memory data type, right? So whether we need a 32-bit to have a value 10. Okay, so we need to discuss that, right? That we will discuss it in the next video. Fine. So I think to till this point you have a clear understanding. Okay, so if still you guys are having any doubts in this data types declaration or what is mean by data type, then please put your comments in the comment box so that we will check and we will revert back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching our videos. Please subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Keep supporting us. Thank you.